Question 8, Part A. So we have two lines here, L1 and L2, and it says, given that L1 and L2 intersect at point P, and Part A, find the value of A. Okay, so I used a very similar technique to method 2 here in the mark scheme. So the way I like to find the intersection of two lines is write them both in the same form, and I like the form that L1 is in. So L1, in terms of the x, it is, let's put the x terms, it's negative 3 plus beta times 1, and this will equal, in terms of the x here, picture them being like a lambda on the other side of the equal sign. So to get x by itself, we just multiply by 3, and then we'd subtract the 6 over, and that would actually be minus x. So positive x would be positive 6 minus 3 lambda. So 6 minus 3 lambda. And I'm going to do that for all of them. The y, it's negative 2 plus 4 beta. And the y here, picture a lambda being on the other side of this equal sign. It'll be 4 lambda plus 2. So we can just put 2 plus 4 lambda. And in terms of the z's, we're going to have a plus 2 beta. And this will be just lambda. Actually, if we put the z on the other side and the lambda on the other side, it will be z will equal 1 minus lambda. Okay, so we have 3 equations here with 2 unknowns, so we can just choose 2 of them to find the values. Now I'm going to use these 2 because this one has an a in it. And we can just use simultaneous equations. I'm going to put everything on one side and my constant on the other side. So on the left hand side, I'm going to have my variables. 3 lambda plus beta will equal 9. Let's put in that over. And on here we'd have negative 4 lambda plus 4 beta equals positive 4. Now to isolate one of these terms, I'm just going to multiply this by 4 and then take, this will be equation 1, so 4 times equation 1 minus equation 2. So 4 times 3 lambda will be 12, minus minus will be 16 lambda. 4 minus 4 will disappear, and 4 times 9 is 36, minus 4 is 32. Lambda is 2, and we can find beta just by subbing it back into any of them, maybe just the top one here. It'll be 3 times 2 plus beta equals 9, so beta will equal, this will be 6, so it'll be 3. So therefore, a plus 2, oh, what's a plus? A plus 2 times beta, 2 times 3 will equal 1 minus lambda. So a will equal 1 minus 2 is negative 1 minus 6 will be negative 7. So a will equal negative 7. Okay, that's the answer to part A.